Hello everyone, today I will show you how to play Half-Life Alyx on your MetaQuest 3. First, go to your computer. You need to install Steam. Next, install Steam VR. Inside Steam, use the search bar and find Steam VR. Click Install and wait for it to finish. This software allows your PC to run virtual reality games. Now move to your MetaQuest 3 headset. Put it on and open the Meta Horizon store. In the search bar, type Steam Link. Download and install the Steam Link app. It is free and easy to find. Once installed, open the Steam Link app inside your headset. Make sure your PC and your headset are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Inside Steam Link, you will see your PC listed. Select it. A pairing code will appear in your headset. Look at your computer screen and enter that code when prompted. This will connect your headset to your PC. After the connection is complete, you will see your Steam library inside the headset. Find Half-Life Alyx in your library. Select the game and launch it. Steam VR will start automatically and the game will load in your headset. Now you are ready to play Half-Life Alyx on your MetaQuest 3. Thanks for watching.